how to write annotate using a pen is in some sense independent of the OBS software. Once you do start recording, you are now going to capture the window of this particular application or the screen wherein there is some application which supports pen. So in that way it is slightly independent of the screencasting software, OBS or any other screencasting software. So let's see how to use the pen within a given software. As I mentioned, the software has to support pen. For example, PowerPoint supports it, Adobe Reader supports it, OneNote supports it, and so on. If you want to write neatly and crisply, you have to invest in either a Bamboo tablet or a Surface Pro, iPad Pro type of laptop. If it is Bamboo tablet, there isn't really much for you to do. You just plug it in through the USB port and it will just start working. There isn't anything for you to install. With this you can write neatly and crisply, but it requires a little bit of practice. So for example, when you start out with, you will write something like this, but with practice you should be able to write nicely like this. If you are already using PowerPoint or Adobe Reader, you don't really require additional software like OneNote. You can just use some empty slides within to make your own notes. In case you don't even have a Bamboo tablet, you definitely cannot write a lot, but you can still underline with the mouse by left clicking on the mouse pad and dragging. How to use the pen option in PowerPoint, I have covered it earlier. I would request you to please see the PowerPoint videos. You don't have to go through all of it. If you are only interested in the pen option, you can just see how to use the pen option in PowerPoint. So I'm not going to cover this here. This content is just for your reference. But if you are using Adobe Reader, how do you use pen? This we will cover. So this is again reference notes for you. I want to mention that if you want to go full screen in Adobe, it's slightly trickier. I will still show you how to use the pen in full screen mode. But you have to be a little bit careful here because getting the pen involves a lot of pressing Shift D multiple times. And sometimes it may not also work quite well. This is something you have to practice and see if it makes sense. Otherwise, don't go for full screen. Just record without full screen. So let's see this in action. So I have opened my slides using Adobe PDF. You may assume that the OBS start recording is on and I have landed in this window and I'm now ready to start my lecture and I want to use the pen tool. So for that, this is what I need to do. First, I'm going to give more screen space to my lecture. You can also use Ctrl++ to increase the size and then this button to go down. You can do Ctrl- to get back. Now, in order for me to use the draw tool, I need to click on tools, click on comment, and this is going to give me this icons. Again, let me click here so that I get more screen. And the main thing that is of interest too is this use drawing tool. So when I click on this, it is going to give me a pen. You can choose the color here. Let me choose purple. You can choose thickness. 1 pt is thinner, 5 pt is thicker, 2 pt I think is about the right size. So let me stick with it. And now I am ready to draw. Right now I am not using Bamboo tablet. I can only underline. So this is how I underline. But as you can see, if I underline, a box appears. I don't like this. So let me delete it. It says, do you want to delete? Yes. So what I will do is I will make a small line here so the box appears there. And now on, whatever I underline, it doesn't show. That box doesn't show. So that is nice. Now if I want to delete, I can choose this eraser and start deleting these things I have made. If you want to delete everything in here. You can go back to this, select like this, so it is going to select all your drawings, and then press delete. Then it will delete everything. You can also use this highlighter button if you don't want to bother with the pen, and highlight things like this when you are speaking. You can also delete it by selecting it and pressing delete. So whatever you mark, if you want it to be saved, you can click on the save button. So whatever you have marked gets saved, which you can share it with your students later. Sometimes you want to use full screen mode in Adobe so as to give more space to your lecture. In order to access the pen in the full screen mode, you have to do a little bit of a setup. So let's see that first. You have to go to Edit, click on Preferences, and under General you have to tick this use single key accelerators to access tools. You have to click it and then click on OK. After this, you should be able to access the drawing tools while you are in full screen mode. So let's see how to go to full screen mode. So to go to full screen mode, I press Ctrl L. That is going to take me to the full screen mode. For you to go to full screen mode, you actually have to close the drawing tool. So this you have to close, only then you can go. So I closed it. Now I'm going to press Ctrl L. So this is taking me to full screen mode. Now here, to get the pen option, I need to press D. As you can see, the cursor changed, and then I have to press Shift D multiple times. And as you saw, that pen appeared and disappeared, so you have to be careful. Press slowly. There. So the pen has appeared. You have to stop now. Now on, again you can use the pen to draw. This is if you have a bamboo tablet now, you can also write neatly by drawing whatever figures you want. Underline, write some text. All this you can do. If you want to erase it, again you have to press Shift D, and then you have to erase it like this. If you get this cursor by pressing Shift D, you can click on the drawings. You get this box. Again you can press delete. So basically you are doing Shift D to go through that menu, and this is giving you the option to use the tools available under the drawing menu. As I said, this is slightly trickier. You can give it a shot and experiment. If it is not working out for you, just go away from the full screen mode. You can do that by pressing Escape. Stick to this and record your lectures.